Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install iOS 16 beta without a developer account on your iPhone or iPad. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. So iOS 16 has been announced and will be released in the fall of 2022. However, you want to try it out and you want to see how it is on your iPhone or your iPad, then you've come to the right video. On your iPhone or iPad, open up Safari and navigate to betaprofiles.com. I have the link in the description of this video. Once the page loads up, scroll down and look for iOS 16 for iPhone, or if you're installing on iPad, you need to look out for iPad OS 16. For this example, I'll use my iPhone, so I'll select iOS 16 beta profile. Tap on Install Profile. Now read the disclaimer before you press Install anyways. This basically tells you that you're downloading a developer's version of iOS 16, so it will contain bugs and will sometimes have issues with apps on your iPhone. The final version will fix all these bugs and issues. And the most important thing is back up your iPhone before you install this. Now tap on Install Anyways. Then press Allow. And then you'll get this prompt stating your profile has been downloaded. Tap on Close. Now go back to the home screen and then tap on Settings. Then tap on More for your iPhone. Or if you don't see this, then tap on General and then VPN and Device Management. You should see the downloaded iOS 16 profile on this screen. Tap on it, then tap on Install. Enter in your PIN code and then agree the consent form by tapping on Install at the top right. Then tap on Install again. Your iPhone will ask you to restart, so go ahead and restart it. Once restarted, go back into your settings, then tap on General and then Software Update. Here you should see iOS 16 developer beta version appear. Once you have backed up your data on your iPhone, go ahead and tap on Download and Install. This will download and install iOS 16 developer beta version on your iPhone. And that is how to download and install iOS 16 beta without a developer account on your iPhone or iPad. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.